your little score out of 10.
Very nice. So you're just opening it?
No, I'm not opening it. I'm here to review it. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Food Review Club. We are really hustling and bustling right now. We're still in Milton Keynes, pretty central to the UK, and we found another one of these little backyard kitchens born out of lockdown, knocking out decent looking food. Big Grubs. I'll tag their Instagram on this now. Go and check them out. You found this, Jess, correct?
Yes.
So, look around. I can't see a shop, can you? We are just basically off a roundabout in the middle of Milton Keynes. Anyone that knows Milton Keynes, by the way, it's full of roundabouts. It's like the capital of roundabouts, where they actually founded the roundabout in 1731. No shop. They've got a commercial kitchen down the road, and this is the collection point. So, hence why I'm here. But before I crack on, you may notice a red bottle in my hand. These guys are actually the sponsor of today's video. Faraday. Hold that, please, Jess. We did a video on these a little while ago, and Faraday asked to sponsor another video. Now, this is an energy drink, uncarbonated. Yes, that's right. No bubbles, in a recycled can, and it is absolutely delicious. Let me have some on camera for you now and try and describe it. It's packed full of the goodness. Very difficult to get off top. It's not really, it's just me being a wimp. Come and have a look at it, look. It's natural, caffeinated, flavoured water. It's rose flavoured. It is incredible. I think their motto is something like light on the tongue. It's exactly how it tastes. It's beautiful, it's light, and it's got all of the caffeine you need to give you that energy, that boost.
And you can reseal it.
You took the words out of my mouth. And unlike a lot of the carbonated drinks in cans, this one, a brilliant seal top. Faraday, there's got a big link up with these guys. I'll put a link in the comments below to a little shop where you can buy them. They sell cases for not a lot. Absolutely love this stuff. I've been drinking it for a little while now because they sent me a case the first time I did a video. Right, here we go. Now, what have we got here, Jess? You've done all of this, haven't you?
I have. So we've got a tray which was £15.
Yeah, just may I add, this is big.
It
tray.
is, isn't it? And that he did throw us in some free wings.
Oi, oi, you love a freebie.
So they're Korean wings.
Cool. I'm assuming that's the Korean wings.
Yes. So I don't know if you want to do them afterwards.
Open this way. Let's have a look, shall we? Have a little look. So where did you find these, Jess? Oh my days, look at that.
Isn't it yummy?
Yeah, he did pass them to me really delicately. I was swinging them around like a rugby ball. Hence why we've got the explosion. Have a look at them. Oh my God. Just try, no, let's do the main event.
Oh, you got them open.
No, come on.
All right. So this has got, I'll let you open it.
Look at the size of this tray, by the way. 15 quid.
You can feed a family.
Slash me. Here we go. Oh man, look at that. So you've actually got like the waffles in with the rest of it?
Yes. So we've
Oh,
dear.
shit. I'll leave this. I'll get it.
We've got a fried chicken bagel
Yep.
there. We've got wings. We've got mac
Look
and
at
cheese.
this. Look
and
at
we've
this.
got dessert in there as well.
You got just like the dessert chilling with the main meal.
I think so. And then there's fries.
Look at these fries, look. Guys, what do you think? Get in the comments. This guy's literally
Mac and cheese looks good.
whacking this out to the community. Like, is he only available on
I think you just
through his
order-
Instagram?
Yeah, I think you just order on Instagram. That's what I did anyway.
Love it. Talk about hidden gem and knocking it out from their kitchen. Right, here we go. This is the mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, mate, look at this. Oh, yes. Here we go. Bottoms up. My man knows how to cook. That is. You got two types of mac and cheese. Baked mac and cheese, like this, where you get like a really yummy cheesy crust layer on top, a bit like a pizza, and you get like the pot stirred mac and cheese. A lot of Jamaican. What? Did you hear that?
I don't know what she said.
We're literally in an estate. A lot of Jamaican. Say again. Yeah. Do you want some? Come over here. Where are you? I can see you up in that window up there. So, I've got some mac and cheese, chips, fried chicken bagel, yeah, and some chicken wings. Yeah? Yeah, come down and have some, yeah, no problem.
Finish the review quickly.
Jess, I'm the man of the people. Yeah. Say again. Who is it? Who? Lewis. Hello, Lewis. Doing a food review. Oh, they're all coming out there. Yes.
Is that one? Is
Hello.
that one house? Is that one flat?
How's it
Hello
going?
from my friends.
No problem. Come to the lights. So you've just shouted down, yeah?
Yeah, from the window.
Well done. So this, what is this called again? My mind's gone.
Big Grubs.
Big Grubs, just down the road there.
All right.
He's selling food. Come and try some. Give me a score out of 10. There we go.
Oh, these are thick chips.
Yeah, they're thick chips. What do you reckon?
Bang 'em.
Banging.
Yeah.
Why don't you try a wing as well? If you go that end, I'll go that end, so we're not contaminating. Your little score out of 10.
Very nice. So you're just opening it?
No, I'm not opening. I'm here to review it.
Oh.
Yeah. I can hear a lot of commotion over there. Is they all your friends?
Oh, my friends and my family. Yeah.
Yes.
These are lovely. And I love homemade chips as well. They're
Yeah,
the best.
proper, real deal. So this guy down the road has started a little kitchen. It's called Big Grubs, Jess, yeah?
Yeah, it's on Instagram.
Big Grubs on Instagram.
I can't really like
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
So this is where this is a collection point. So what would you give these wings out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Just so you let you know, that's a rookie score.
All right
you
then.
can't...
8 then.
8, there we go. What was your name?
Loretta.
Loretta. There we go. Loretta, have you got anything you want to tell the world?
Yeah, come and get your food from
Big Grubs.
Big Grubs. It's very,
Just
very
so
nice.
you know, I'm not Big Grubs.
I thought you was Big Grubs.
Yeah, no. We're absolutely done. No, my name's Fat Matt.
Fat Matt. Okay.
Yes. Big Grubs lives down the road.
Okay.
All right, well, there you go.
But I'm new here, so...
Well done. Well, I think the neighbours will know you are pretty quick.
Oh, yeah, they will, because
Yeah.
I have problems, so I shall.
All right, well, best of luck with the problems.
And
Hope,
you.
hope 2021 is a good year for you.
Oh, me too. I need to find a good-looking man.
Yes. Well, there you go. Any good-looking men out here in Milton Keynes? Loretta, there she is, look, running away, look, with her chicken wing in her hand. I think any good-looking men, just a little side note on that, you've got your work cut out there. I think she's going to be giving you a run for your money. But there we have it. So I don't know where she had her fingers in that, but I'll go over this side, it's okay. Chips. No, these are banging chips. That's what you need to know, Jess, that really threw me.
Sorry. I
We
don't
had-
know
we
what I'm
had
saying, sorry. I had no control. You're the one who told her
You
to come
said do the
down.
review quick. She was out of bed like a rat up a drain pipe, wasn't she?
Told her to come out.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't she come out here that quick. I don't know, she must have like abseiled down from the window, scuttled over here. Next thing I know, she's in the thing with me. Here we go.
Right, come
Right,
on.
look.
Back on track.
It's one of those moments, isn't it? You can't beat it, can you? Doing reviews live. She thought I was Big Scrubs as well.
Big Scrubs.
Big Scrubs.
Big Grubs.
Big Scrubs. Here we go. Here's my fried chicken. It's just gone to shit, isn't it? Here we go. Here's a fried chicken bagel. There we go, look. Fried chicken's delicious. Bagel, pretty tough.
Is it like a New York bagel?
Actually, the more you chew it, the more it comes good. Yeah, decent. Let me try a wing. Mac and cheese is delicious. Wings not bad at all. Let me dry some of that sauce.
What's the one in the corner? That...
Oh, like a sweet chilli.
Oh, no, that's sweet chilli. What's the other one?
Can you pull that wing off for me? There you go. Sweet chilli's got a kick. No, it's delicious. It's like some kind of habanero cheese. Fiery sauce. Milton Keynes. Honestly, are you men out here? Any interested in that? I'll put a link to her Tinder in the comments below. Faraday drinks. Really hope you're glad you've sponsored this video.
I'm just having a think about the waffles.
Right.
Because some people have waffles savoury, don't they?
All right, cool. Let's just dive into them. Come on, let's
But
get into it.
I asked for sauce.
All right, cool. So the inside here. All right, cool. So I've got
It's like a topping.
Yeah, banging. Oreo topping, homemade chips, mac and cheese, delicious sauces, fried chicken bagel.
15 quid as well.
15 quid. I don't think that's much of a sharing thing there, Jess. We've got them here. You hold that in one hand, my love? Just for a little bit? I'm blown away by that, by the way. She was down here. Right, here we go. This is what these are the freebies, yeah?
You're like looking around and someone's going to nick your food.
Can I just show you something? Can I get you on camera? You know why I can't? My eyes are all over the place. Here you go, Jess. You're on the page.
Oh no.
Here we go. Look, you can't see anything beyond the lights. Look, if you step away from the lights, you can see things. That's where she lives. Look, up there, look. Hello. Yeah, up there. So it's very difficult to see what's going on outside these Sky Sports News reporting lights. Here we go.
These are Korean free wings.
Free. Why did you get free in the name? Not everyone that gets these are free, by the way. I'm assuming you messaged him from the page and he just said you could have these, did he?
He just said he put them in our
Oh, well done.
order.
Free food always tastes good. Right. Delicious. Really nice. Ooh, sticky heat to that as well. That's good. That's kind of hot. Like that. Right, here we go. Let's wrap this up. That's got me. Oh, my nose is running now. Right. Absolute munch box. What do I think? I think businesses that are born out of lockdown like this, I love it. Bravo, hats off. Mac and cheese, delicious. Waffles, interesting, especially having an Oreo twist on top of that. In with the savoury goods. Chicken wings, not my favourite, but actually pretty tasty. Chips, hand cut, fried at home. I absolutely love chips like that. My fried waffle, chicken waffle.
No,
Bagel, get your words out. Wasn't my favourite, to be fair. Chicken was delicious inside it. Bagel comes good in the end. You know what a bagel's like. The more you chew it, the better it gets, the sweeter it gets, the more yummy it gets. All in all, I'm going to give this a score out of 10. I'm going to give it a 7. 7 out of 10. Happy days. Remember, guys, thanks for watching. That was brought to you by the incredible Faraday non-carbonated, delicious rose water, light on the tongue, heavy on performance energy drink. Thanks for watching, everyone. Come back again soon. Is that how you finish videos?
That's a review.
That's a review.